How much boba should pop up? Drink stands prepare for a busy event. Pop-up drink stands should prepare enough boba to serve at least 100% more than their usual daily sales for a busy event. When you are planning for a busy event, it is important to think about how many people might want to buy your boba drinks. If your stand usually sells 50 cups of boba in a day, you should get ready to make at least 100 cups or more for the event, because busy events can have many more customers than normal days. Boba pearls take time to cook and prepare, so it is smart to make them in batches ahead of time, but not too far in advance because they can get soggy and lose their chewy texture. You also need to have enough tea and toppings ready so you can make drinks quickly without running out. A good trick is to check with the event organizers about how many people they expect and look at similar past events to guess how many drinks you might sell. It's also useful to prepare some extra supplies just in case the crowd is bigger than expected. Not many people know that keeping boba pearls warm in a simple sugar water solution helps keep them fresh and chewy during long events. This small step can make a big difference in making your drinks taste great throughout the day. One common mistake is underestimating the number of customers, which leads to running out of boba too early. It's better to prepare more than less because losing sales means losing money and disappointed customers. Another thing to be careful about is overcooking the boba. If you cook them too long, they become mushy and not enjoyable to chew. So timing is very important. Also, some stands forget to keep their ingredients organized and easy to reach during a busy event, which slows down service and makes long lines form. To avoid these problems, plan your prep time carefully, keep everything clean and organized, and always have backup ingredients ready. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.